Good morning students, my name is Madhavi working in COE Vardhanapet. Let us see the today's topic menstrual cycle in human reproductive system. The reproductive cycle in female primates such as monkey, human beings, apes, etc. is called as the menstrual cycle. The cyclical changes that occur in the endometrium of uterus at an interval of 28 or 29 days or every month is called as the menstrual cycle. The first menstrual cycle is going to occur at the age of puberty and it is called as the menarche. And one ovum is released in the middle of the menstrual cycle and it is called as the ovulation. The events of menstrual cycle include menstrual phase. During this phase, the menstrual flow occurs for 3 to 5 days due to breakdown of the endometrium when the ovum is not fertilized. Endometrium is the inner wall of the uterus. So menstrual flow occurs when the endometrial lining and its blood vessels are going to break down, which changes into a fluid and which comes out through the vagina in the form of menstrual flow, menses or menstruation. So menstruation is going to occur when the ovum is not fertilized. Lack of menstruation is an indicative of pregnancy, but it is not correct in all the cases. For example, let us take stress and poor health conditions. In such cases also, menstruation is not seen regularly. And second one is follicular phase. During this phase, the primary or the developing follicle changes into mature follicle and the wall of the endometrium proliferates and it is going to regenerate. These changes are going to occur under the influence of increasing levels of the gonadotropins, that is FSH follicle stimulating hormone and LH luteinizing hormone. And the developing follicle is going to release a hormone called as estrogen. And the next phase is ovulatory phase. During this phase, the FSH and LH, they attain a peak level in the middle of the cycle, that is at about 14th day. The rapid secretion or increase of LH is called as LH surge, and this surge is going to bring the rupture of the mature follicle or Graafian follicle and release of ovum or secondary oocyte, which is called as the ovulation. And the last phase is the luteal phase or secretory phase. During this phase, the empty Graafian follicle is going to change into a yellow colored body, which is called as corpus luteum. This corpus luteum secretes a hormone called as progesterone, and this progesterone helps in further proliferation of the endometrium, which helps in the implantation of the blastocyst and maintenance of the pregnancy when the ovum is fertilized. When the ovum is fertilized, it indicates pregnancy and the menstrual cycle is going to stop. If the ovum is not fertilized, the corpus luteum is going to degenerate into corpus albicans. Progesterone level is going to fall down. The endometrial wall is going to disintegrate and the menstrual flow is going to start and the events are going to begin once again. So these cyclical events at an interval of 28 or 29 days is called as the menstrual cycle. And this menstrual cycle is going to stop or cessate at an age of 50 years or above, which is called as the menopause. Today's question is, what is the reproductive phase in the female primates? Thank you, and tomorrow's session is copulation and fertilization.